Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide notifications when your screen is locked, because guys, when your screen is locked no one can see your notifications if you follow my these steps. So guys, first of all, go to your settings. Now I will show you how to set these settings. Now scroll down and you can see notification and status bar. Simply click on it. Now guys, you can see many settings. Simply click on lock screen. You can see. Now guys, you can see at the top one, show notifications content display rule. Click on it. Now guys, you can see three options: show notification content, show notifications but hide content, and the third one is hide lock screen notifications. Now guys, you need to select the third option, hide lock screen notifications. Now guys, that's all. If you follow my these steps, no one can see your notification when your screen is locked. So guys, this setting give us many benefits. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.